Okay, good morning, Wildcats. We are on Thursday the 16th. There are some really ugly, sad things happening in our world today, some of them very scary. But you know what? Together we can face them and we're going to be okay. If we have each other's backs, if we support each other, care about each other, we're going to be all right. But we're going to need to do it together. And that ties in with today's message about friends. We all want to have friends. They share in our good times. They share in our bad times. They make us better people. We can make them better people. Quite simply, they add value to our lives, and we can certainly add value to their lives. The friends you make here at Ben Franklin Middle School might remain your friends for the rest of your life. I remember when I was a kid, I had one friend. And you know, that guy, he didn't really like anybody. Anyway, listen to these words of wisdom about making friends. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming genuinely interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. What exactly does that mean, Wildcats? It means if we want to make friends with other people, we have to be friendly to others. We have to show interest. We have to be kind. We have to be courteous. You've maybe heard that saying, you gather more flies with sugar than with vinegar. What that means is you will attract more people with kindness than with being self-centered, with being all about yourself, with being puffed up, with being full of self-pride, etc. Now, it doesn't matter if you have one close friend or if you have multiple friends that aren't as close. What really matters is what kind of person you are, because being a quality person will attract others to you. So show interest in what's going on in other people's lives, and they will show interest in you. One of Mr. Holton's challenges was for you to set a goal, a personal goal. Maybe you add value by just being friendly with others. Because, Wildcats, this is a scary time. This is a challenging time, and we are going to need to support each other through it. We care about you, Wildcats. In fact, we love you. We want what's best for you. Together, we'll get to what's best. So, have a great Thursday, everybody. We'll talk to you tomorrow.